As gender-based violence graph rises in the country, the government has launched an awareness and utilization campaign of formulated rules in line with the Protection Against Domestic Violence Act 2015. Speaking during the launch of the National Protection Against Domestic Violence rules that seeks to strengthen mechanisms in enhancing access to justice for victims of domestic violence, Cabinet Secretary for Public Service, Gender and Affirmative Action Aisha Juma has said there is need to revise policies that are in place to make it easy for victims of domestic abuse get required services across counties.
It is very sad that today a survivor is required to pay between 1,000 and 3,000 Kenya shillings to acquire a P3 form. I would request that this service be rendered free of charge.
Further, the CS has called on full activation of the police integrated response to sexual and gender-based violence units across all counties.
I want to commit here today to engage with my counterpart, the CS Interior, Honorable Kindiki, on full activation of the Polycare program in this country.
A 2022 report by the Kenya Demographic Health Survey showed that 13% of women reported that they had experienced sexual violence at some point in their lives, with 7% saying they had experienced it in the last 12 months. With Nairobi, Kisumu, Siaya, Meru, Nakuru, Machakos, Mombasa, Kisii, Trans Nzoia, Kakamega and Kiambu noted as hotspot counties, GBV community engagement and specialized GBV courts have been set up where victims can easily access justice through community paralegals. The Ministry of Labour is also looking at ratifying the International Labour Organization Convention C-190 that protects workers against harassment and gender violence at place of work.
The President has given us directions to be able to ratify this Convention C-190. We are yet to start the ratification as a country, but we've been able to table that convention before the Labour Board, which was put in office just the other day.
In addition, Nairobi County is set to put up the first ever public gender-based violence safe space that will be complemented by 17 police stations that have GBV units, with 9 already having been commissioned. Bentura Komboka, K24, Nairobi.